Maintaining a strong compliance framework on the Lemonway platform is essential for any business operating in payments, marketplace transactions, or digital financial services. The best approach begins with establishing a clear understanding of Lemonway's regulated role as a licensed payment institution. This foundation guides how platforms should structure onboarding, verify users, and monitor financial activity. A complete compliance setup starts with precise KYC and KYB processes. Every seller, buyer, or partner integrated on the platform must be verified using accurate identification documents, proof of business registration, and validated bank information. Automated document collection, supported by manual review when necessary, ensures alignment with Lemonway's stringent requirements while preventing fraudulent entries. Next, risk management procedures must be continuous rather than a one-time setup. This includes real-time monitoring of transactions, flagging unusual volume patterns, sudden spikes in activity, or inconsistent account behaviors. Lemonway's internal tools already support detection, but platforms should complement them with internal rules tailored to the type of marketplace they operate. A strong compliance approach also requires transparent fund flows. Each operation must be traceable, with dedicated payment accounts reflecting incoming and outgoing transactions. This structure supports regulatory traceability and ensures that the platform remains aligned with anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing obligations. Clear communication with users is another essential factor. Providing straightforward onboarding guidelines, specifying required documents, and outlining verification timelines reduces friction and improves compliance accuracy. This helps minimize delays and enhance trust. Finally, consistent internal training keeps platform teams aligned with evolving regulatory standards. Compliance officers and support staff must understand Lemonway's rules, industry regulations, and how to interpret warning signals and customer data. Regular reviews ensure that processes remain current and effective. By combining strong verification routines, precise transaction monitoring, transparent fund flow management, and continuous staff awareness, platforms can maintain a smooth and compliant operation within the Lemonway ecosystem.